Yeah, there are two things probably again which differentiates the practice of naturopathic medicine in India and probably the Western approach to it. It's more of a clinic-based approach in the West, where a patient comes to you and you prescribe and then counsel them and they go back. Whereas in India, by far, naturopathy has been practiced as a retreat-based modality, wherein the patient comes and stays with you in your facility in a very controlled environment where the diet is modified, they undergo hydrotherapy, they have mud therapy, there is acupuncture, there is of course yoga. So all of that together is given as a package when they are with you. And then we do have the dietary modifications or the yoga prescription. Say we tell them to do some specific yoga practices which are recommended for their health problem when they go back, or we ask them to do certain physical exercises or some nutritional changes or dietary modifications that are suggested to go back and do when they're back in their environment. Of course, there are also some hydrotherapy measures. We do ask them to drink a lot of water, which again is something that is missed as a common practice. We use fasting in especially when they are with us in our retreat centers, and we do recommend them to go back and continue to do intermittent fasting, especially with obesity, but it's not limited to obesity. As we understand today, it's the whole range of problems that we're talking about for which fasting can be really, really nice. And as a student, when I was learning in my medical college, uh, I misunderstood fasting as something to do with obesity because a lot of people who come to naturopathy centers in India, most of them have obesity as one condition which is there, and then they have comorbid diabetes, they have hypertension, or the musculoskeletal complications. So I was seeing that fasting is prescribed for all of them, but then I was fortunate to work with a couple of my seniors during my post graduation time in the clinical practice, who taught me that fasting is the time when you start healing from inside, and it is not limited to, say, a health problem. Rather, it is something that is given for everyone. And it's only now that we are talking of fasting being neuroprotective and preventing degenerative disorders or inflammation, anti-inflammatory effects or anti-cancer effects. But typically, in a very classical way in which naturopathy is practiced in India, I'm talking of people who started the naturopathic practice in India. I would say it was more of diet, it was fasting, and probably very simple hydrotherapy measures like probably enema and sitz bath or hip bath or something like that. Nothing very fancy. But today, of course, we have the colon hydrotherapy. We do have jacuzzis. So massages are incorporated. So a lot of variation is seen within the way naturopathy is practiced within India. We do have clinics where there are people who practice only acupuncture for pain. So there is a huge lot of variety with which naturopathy is approached in India by the practitioners.